Hello guys, am I audible? Just let me know. I hope I'm audible clearly for everyone. Just let me know if I'm audible or not. And we are going to talk a lot of things regarding today's session, right? So just give me a confirmation if you are able to hear me out quickly. I hope I'm audible. Yeah, perfect. Today, I'm also going to give some amazing announcements. So today you can also talk to me in Zoom if you want, okay? So I will be sharing the Zoom link as in the pinned comment. So if you want to join, you can join and join the webinar. If you have any questions, you can definitely let me know. Related to Q&A, again, the plan is that to provide you a better thing where we can basically talk, right? So you can join the Zoom session. I've already put up in the pinned comment. So it is up to you. If you want to join, come on, join. And I will allow you to talk with respect to as we start the Zoom session. Hackathon 4.0 kab aa raha hai? Soon it will be there. So anybody, you can basically join the Zoom session and you can talk to me. If you have any queries, you can come over there. One by one, we'll try to solve the question itself. So yes, Kumar, your question. Okay, I'll allow some people to talk. You can just raise your hand, whoever wants to talk. Definitely, it'll be an amazing session. Let's make this as an amazing session altogether. And before we come ahead, please hit like. Yes, Amit. Yeah, Amit Modi. You can unmute yourself and you can talk whatever questions you have.
Hi, Krish. I just joined the session. I don't have any question. Just thankful to you. I am already in touch with you on WhatsApp. So thanks for your help. Thank you.
Yeah. So don't worry, Amit. I definitely know that you could not clear one more interview, right? But trust me, what the companies are looking at after some time, you'll be the most happiest person that you'll be able to clear the interviews and all, right?
Sure. Thank you, Krish.
Yes. Bhuvaneshwaran, if you have any questions. Debarata Kundu, you just raise your hand, guys. Whoever has a question, I'll allow you to talk. You can unmute yourself and you can basically ask any question that you have. Yeah, Tanmay Chakrabarti, you can ask a question, whatever question you have. Yeah, Kumar, go ahead. Kumar, go ahead.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello,
Kumar.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, I have a small question. Can we expect the data engineering industry kind of projects like the data science you got, right?
Soon we are coming up with that. Probably till next month, you'll be able to see that too. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. Actually, we are waiting for it's been a while, so that's why.
Yeah. So see, the thing is that we have also started the recording, so probably you'll be also able to find the industry grade projects in every sector of data, like data science, big data, business analytics, and everything as such. So just give us some time, okay? Right now we are very much busy with live classes. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Am I audible? This is Tanmay.
Yes, Tanmay. Go ahead.
Yeah, sir. I have a query regarding my learning. Like I have completed all of the lectures of machine learning, and I have completed almost a deep learning part. Like I'm on a computer vision, like Paul sir was teaching the part. Now I want to know is that like he's teaching the part of architecture like AlexNet, LeNet, VisNet kind of a thing. So they are like so much of like advantage and disadvantage we have with respect to LeNet and AlexNet and so on and so forth, right? Now I want to know is that like how should I like what all things I need to just know as of now, like for like implementation is not that much tough, but the thing is that like I'm asking about the theoretical perspective, like how much should I learn, how much should I keep in my mind for my interview purpose, because there's so many things he has explained and like there are so many advantages and disadvantages of things. So I want to know that how much I should learn or how much I should make a note of it just for my future reference or for future purpose. I want to know is that because there are so many theoretical things for me for the first time I am seeing.
Okay, Tanmay, let me answer you this question in this way, right? See, initially when probably CNN was coming, right? When the research was going on with CNN, right? So you will be seeing that CNN has a way, right? Initially, you are training the models by yourself. Then again, the basic question that basically rises that how many neurons we have to use, how many hidden layers we have to use. So they came up with the state-of-art algorithms like AlexNet, you said, ResNet, okay, VG16, VG19. And as we go in time, the models are becoming more better and better, right? It is just like a state-of-art algorithm. And the thing is that you can use all these models to retrain your images from scratch.
Right.
I hope you are able to understand.
Yeah.
This is the reason we basically go and understand each and everything. See, at the end of the day, you can use only one specific model. Okay. But you should also have a reason to tell that why you're using that particular model. So that is the reason you really need to know all those specific data points. In the research paper, you'll be able to find out average accuracy based on millions of images as such. So it is our duty that we have to teach you all those things. The thing is that, see, with respect to object detection, why do you need to know RCNN? Why do you need to know Mars RCNN? Why you need to really know detectron, right? So directly we can use YOLO, right? YOLO is the recent one, like version 7, right? That also we can use. But you need to know all the disadvantages. Then only you'll be able to understand. Like similarly, there are a lot of optimizers. You can basically check it out why we are using Adam or why you're using some other optimizer. There is a reason behind it.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So as of now, like just I want to know the disadvantage, advantages, and based on that, just I have to implement it. And that knowledge will be tested in my interview, right?
Yes. And as you will see that all these models that are coming, right, they also become a little bit heavier, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So if you are able to solve something with less space or less size of model, then that is very good, right? So you should know all these things.
Okay, sir. Then all right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, please. Next question. Guys, I will try to answer everybody's question today. Okay, so don't worry. Whoever joined in the Zoom, I will try to answer. And if you really want to join in the Zoom, the link is given in the chat. Yeah. Yes, please. Sabari?
Yes, sir. So can we expect any kind of robotics course with respect to AI?
Yes. We are also planning to come up with that. See, the robotic course, the problem is that online mode, it becomes very difficult because you also have to buy all those kind of equipments to basically show you, because at the end of the day, hardware devices is there. We are implementing some of the projects with respect to reinforcement learning. And once that is ready, we'll also launch that specific thing. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thanks.
Yeah. Next question, please. And
Hello,
whoever, yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, my name is Rajendra, and I have one request to you to make one short videos on pandas profiling.
Sure, I've already made it, right? Pandas profiling. If you search for that, you will be able to get it.
Okay, I've been searching.
No, just search for pandas profiling Krishna. You search, you will be able to get it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yes, one by one. Yeah. Go ahead, please.
Sir, I have a query related to data science. My data is in the form of audio data. How to classify the audio data? For example, my data is in the form of...
Check one of my project. I've already created audio classification Krishna. I've given the data over there. Yeah.
Sir, I already visited that playlist also. But my data is in the form of Hindi data, for example. How to classify in call data? There are some programs like 1 minute, sir.
To see how OTT platforms.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead, please.
For example, my data is in the form of customer to agent classification. How to classify the data?
Okay, just send me the sample of data on my email ID, krishnax06@gmail.com. Okay, so I will try to reply you back in that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Really, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah. Go ahead, Ravindra.
सर एक्चुअली मैं इंटेलीपार्ट से डेटा साइंस का कोर्स कर रहा हूँ, वो 6 महीने का था। तो सर अभी 4 महीने उसके खत्म हो गए हैं, लेकिन सर मेरी जॉब के चलते मैं उतना कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं फील कर पा रहा हूँ, जैसे मतलब प्रैक्टिकल चीजों को लेके। तो सर मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे सर मुझे, क्योंकि अब सिर्फ 2 महीने बाकी है, तो मुझे किस प्रकार से मतलब पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए ताकि मैं इंटरव्यू वगैरह में थोड़ा अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकूं।
सर देखिए, हम लोग ये वीकेंड से ना डेटा साइंस इंडस्ट्री रेडी प्रोजेक्ट्स बैच लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, ठीक है जी। और वहां पे हम लोग देखेंगे कि एंड टू एंड डेटा साइंस प्रोजेक्ट कैसे करते हैं। तो मैं आपको यहाँ स्क्रीन शेयर करके दिखा देता हूँ। तो अगर आपको मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा होगा
जी।
तो यहाँ पे जो डेटा साइंस इंडस्ट्री प्रोजेक्ट है ना, हम लोग यहाँ पे फोकस करेंगे ये सारा चीज करने का। जैसे एक प्रोजेक्ट है सेंसर फॉल्ट डिटेक्शन, यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, बिजनेस यूज केस, सिस्टम आर्किटेक्चर, हाई लेवल डिजाइन, कंपोनेंट सिलेक्शन, लो लेवल डिजाइन, कोर यूटिलिटी डिजाइन, ये सारा चीज हम लोग फोकस करेंगे एक एंड टू एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने के लिए। और ये एक रियल वर्ल्ड इंडस्ट्री प्रोजेक्ट्स होगा क्योंकि इसमें डेटा पाइपलाइन आर्किटेक्चर भी होगा। ठीक है, तो मैं बोलूंगा आपको एटलीस्ट आप अगर एक प्रोजेक्ट भी कर देते हैं ना, देन यू आर वेरी गुड टू गो टुवर्ड्स एनी इंटरव्यू अटेंड करने के लिए, क्योंकि आप ये सारा चीजों के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं। और ये बेसिकली बैच 24 से स्टार्ट है, तो आपको पूरा वीडियो, मतलब जो अभी वीडियो है ना यूट्यूब में, उसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगा उसका। ठीक है,
ओके सर, ओके,
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर।
Yes.
Hi, Krish. I'm Sharat.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yes, I'm happy to speak with you. From long time, I'm watching your videos, and so many members also asking me, like in LinkedIn, they are thinking how to start, like people who are pursuing their degree or BTech. I'm referring you for so many people.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, Krish. I'm Sharat.
And is it part of data science interview course today?
Data science industry ready project is basically starting from 24th September. Okay.
No, not that one. Like 19th September started, right? Interview.
That is the interview. Yeah, that is the interview. So if you probably go with respect to iNeura.
No, today class is it part of that or?
No. Today is just a live Q&A. Just a live Q&A for the people who have queries related to data science. Okay. So this is just a live Q&A.
Okay.
Yeah, no any specific class. Your class will basically start at 8 o'clock, which Sunny is already taking. Right? This is the batch.
Who will be taking care of that? Sunny or you?
No, it'll be myself, Sudhanshu, Sunny. We'll be sending different people with respect to some topics who are very good at that. Okay. So with respect to that, and this is the entire syllabus with respect to that also. Okay.
Yes, I have seen. I was just about to purchase this one, and this live started. Then I have joined this.
No, this is at 8 p.m. This is already the class has started right now, and it'll be in weekdays, 30 days interview preparation. Yes. And one more batch that we are coming up from this weekend is data science industry project, ready project. So this is a good one and all.
So many members also asking me, like in LinkedIn, they are how to start.
Okay. Yeah, Sharat, go ahead. Please unmute yourself, Sharat. I think Sharat was there, right?
Yes, Krish.
Yeah, Sharat.
I was part of MLDL August batch. I have completed that. Now I will take this.
So how was your experience, sir, with respect to that?
Yes, I have one complaint regarding that actually.
Yeah. Tell me, sir. Tell me.
Actually, in previous batch, there were 10 projects like cement segmentation. There were few projects were there. But in current course, you only completed wafer fault detection and one more project.
No. We'll come up. Don't worry, sir. You're in FSDS November, right? You said?
Not FSDS, MLDL August 2021.
August. Okay. So do one thing, sir. Do one thing. Just contact the support team. I'll tell them to probably take some additional classes for you all for your batch, so that that particular segmentation project will also get over. Okay. I think your mentor was Sunny, right? Sunny Savita.
Sunny Savita, yes.
Okay, I will also tell him. I'll give him a personal message. I think otherwise recorded videos will at least be present. But again, I'll consider.
Yeah, recorded videos for previous batch is available.
Okay.
So that
let me just talk to him, and probably let me send a special class request for you all. Okay.
No issue, Krish. We will follow that old videos.
No, sir. No. Again, I'm telling you. Otherwise, just follow it. If you find any concerns, we'll make a special class for you all. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Again, our main purpose is to serve you better, right? At the end of the day, you should be able to understand everything as such. Okay.
Okay. Today I'm feeling like I'm speaking with one celebrity because daily I'm watching your video.
I'm not a celebrity, so
no, I'm feeling like that.
I'm a mentor. I teach. I teach in a way so that you will be able to understand everything.
Yes, thank you so much, Krish. You are doing great job.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Next question, please.
Hello, Krish. Aniket here.
I think one lady was trying to talk.
Hello.
Yeah.
Aniket, after this you can pick up. Yeah, Gaurangi, go ahead.
Hi, Krish. I have enrolled in the full stack data analytics program last month. So I got to know that it was started back in June, right? And now I have to, catch up with a lot of the live classes. So
no worries, ma'am. See, what I will do is that we are launching this batch again in the next month. We'll switch you from this batch to that batch if you have a concern in following the thing. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Krish.
Yeah, Gaurangi, thank you. But anyhow, just watch the recorded videos. I know you'll be able to understand it. There also long sessions are there.
Yeah, recorded ones are amazing. I just wanted to, interact in the live batch as it is better.
Sure. So if you feel that it is delayed, we are going to start that batch again next month, and probably you can. Anybody has an option to switch to the forward batch. Let's say because of medical condition, they were not able to attend all the classes. Because of office work, they were not able to attend the classes. We already provide that services. Clear?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Aniket, go ahead, please.
Hi, Krish. Recently, I enrolled for FSDS 2.0, and then after that, I switched over to this FSDS batch. That is the May 22 batch. So
I'm currently taking the statistics, I guess, right?
Yes. I have attended this 2 live sessions.
Yeah, it was
on
like you're able to understand.
That was very nice and amazing sessions. Needless to say this. So today I was going through this LinkedIn and I saw the video related to this autonomous driving. One of students might be doing that, and I feel I feel this amazed. So I want to be a part of this particular team. Is it possible?
I think that was from the previous
it's kind of very
batch.
amazing, and I'm from this mechanical background. So
Aniket, there is a lot of disturbance from your side, I guess.
Okay.
Now go ahead. Just a second. Yeah, Aniket, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
So just I think can I be a part of this team? Is it possible?
So for about which batch, that recorded video is?
So I want to learn this autonomous driving and like that.
No. You're talking about this recorded previous batch recordings, right? I guess in that. Yeah, Aniket?
I'm from this FSDS batch.
No, you're from the FSDS batch. You're talking about which recordings actually? So previous recordings you are basically saying it, right? In that FSDS batch.
No, actually, no. Am I audible?
Yeah, Aniket, you're audible. Tell me.
Okay. I have no issue about these recordings and all that. Just today I was going through this LinkedIn, and over that I saw this students that are working on this autonomous driving. Yes, and
just try to contact them.
What kind of work they are doing over there?
Aniket,
I am actually from this mechanical background, and I'm working in an automobile company. So, what I think, can I become the part of this team? That was my question.
Yeah, Aniket,
what I want to be part of the team.
Aniket, listen to me. I'm saying that please try to contact that specific team. You say that you're also from iNeuron and you're interested to work in that project. Okay.
Hi, Krish. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
So I watched your video where you were telling, how if I want to switch from my existing role as a software engineer to a data science role, I can, try making some data science related project within my current company, even if it is a POC project. So I came up with one idea, but I'm not sure how to approach it. So I was thinking, so my working is based on something of a ClickSense tool. I work on a ClickSense tool. So I thought of creating something of a log file analyzer that can, automatically pick out the error messages so that, it will automate the entire process and make the process smoother. But I'm not sure how to approach that. Like I found a couple of articles and research papers online about log file analysis, but it seems pretty complicated to implement. So do you plan on creating some sort of YouTube video on that in future so that, some sort of idea?
Sir, but at least you have to send me some sample data, then probably I'll make up a use case for that.
Yeah, okay. Sure. If I were to send you one, like where should I send it to you?
Krish, see in my YouTube channel, if you go in the about section, there is my email ID. Okay. So you can drop me a mail over there.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay, Krish, am I audible?
One by one, guys.
Hello.
Yeah, Jibrin, go ahead.
Okay. Hi, Krish.
Yeah.
I'm not able to access iNeuron Labs. I don't know what's the reason, and I've signed up. I don't know. I'm not able to access the iNeuron Labs.
Let me just check it out. 1 second. Okay, and then probably I'll give you which iNeuron lab you are trying to use, which tool you are basically trying to use.
None of the two appears on my screen. I'm trying to use the Jupyter, and I'm trying to use the Jupyter
Lab. Okay.
Yeah.
So there will be a pop-up on the top of this particular browser. Have you enabled the pop-up?
Okay, I've not seen any pop-up.
Here you can see that, right? It is working fine, right?
Yes. Yes.
It has opened also.
But
there
is
will
it
be a
must I
There-
register?
No, this is Chrome. So you'll be getting a pop-up. You have to enable that pop-up. See, this is one of the code that I had actually written long back. So the file is also getting saved, right?
Okay, but I've not signed up for any of the iNeuron
It's okay.
classes.
If you don't sign up, then also you'll be able to access it for free. You just have to go to My Courses, and here you'll be able to see NeuroLab. And these are the two tools right now. Soon we'll be coming up with all these things. Okay.
All right.
Hello.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, one by one, guys.
Hello.
Come on. I'm here to answer your questions. Don't worry. One by one. Yeah, Yogesh Chobe. Go ahead.
Hi, Krish. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, okay. First of all, thank you very much for providing Neuron lab. It's really very helpful. I mean, for doing practice. Plus, I was trying with CV2 and it's not working there. I mean, few libraries are not working, so I don't know what exactly is the problem. So, okay, so maybe you guys will add support maybe in some time.
Yep.
Another question which I have is like I'm working on POC in my company, and as one of guys said, like he's working on log analyzer, the similar kind of problem I am working on. Already, I'm getting accuracy of around 78% with LSTM model. Okay, but so that's an error rate which I got. But I want to have a multi-class classification problem also a part of it, wherein it will tell me the segmentation. Okay, like from where it is coming. It's a hardware issue or it's a something performance issue. That kind of classification I need. So I'm looking for some reference from you or some documents or some videos of you wherein I can have both the solution, error rate as well as classification or segmentation of problem.
Sir, my suggestion will be that please send me a sample of data. Okay, then only I'll be able to suggest you. Unless until I don't see the data, I'll not be able to guide you because what kind of use cases you're trying to solve it. Okay.
Okay. See, the problem is it's a company data, so I can't.
No. I'm not saying to send the exact data. You can probably make up your own data and probably send it. Okay. It's just like make up some dummy data like kind of stuff and probably give me so that I'll be able to guide you. I will not ask for company data. I don't do that.
Okay,
Sure. I can understand company will have a concern regarding that. Okay.
Yeah, sure. I tried to reach. Last time also I raised a ticket, and I think Mr. Wade
drop me a mail. Drop me a mail.
Okay, so
directly.
Where I need to drop? Can you?
Krishna06@gmail.com. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Krish.
Hi, Krish.
Yeah.
I don't
Anil,
know
go ahead.
whether it is Visual Studio is better one or Collab. Which one is better to suggest?
No, you're talking about
It is easy to
NeuroLab?
way. No, sir. Generally, there are running editors like Collab or Jupyter. Which one you have to suggest?
Jupyter Notebook, you will try to run it in your local, right? Google Colab is something that runs in the cloud. In the local, it depends on your system configuration, how fast it will work, right?
System configuration, like everything will be installing at all time.
You have to install it. Then you have to probably see that how much RAM you have, how much hard disk you have, how much other things you basically have in your system.
Sir, I have one Colab Pro. Google Colab Pro is just way to. I think which will you have to better.
Right now, instead of Colab Pro, use iNeuron Labs. No, NeuroLab is completely for free. Why don't you use that? That is still more faster. You have 32 threads, which will be doing the 32 threads processor. You'll be having to do the execution, so it is quite faster than that. Okay, and it is completely for free.
Okay, sir. I already enrolled one neuron.
You can definitely use the NeuroLab. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Fine.
Okay. So, guys, just a quick announcement. Just on 2 days, we are launching the data science industry projects course. So, if you are interested, you can find out all the information in the description of this particular video. Yes, please, Karthik, go ahead and with your question. Karthik.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Am I
Yeah, go
audible?
ahead. Yeah, audible.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to ask that I am shifting from a non-tech background to tech and as a business analyst or a data analyst, and I have a proficiency in Power BI, Tableau, and SQL. But whenever I'm trying to apply somewhere, my resume is getting rejected, and I'm not able to figure out the reasons exactly what is the core reason. And I want to get into the tech as soon as possible. So what you will suggest to me?
Sir, just can you repeat the last part, sir, what you told?
Sir, I am saying that I told you about my proficiency like Tableau, Power BI, SQL, and I have a background of MBA. And I'm trying to apply for business analyst and data analyst roles. But my resume is getting rejected again and again. So I'm not able to understand what is the main or the core reason that they are not accepting me for even for an interview also.
Sir, see,
So
sir,
I want your
there,
suggestion
there,
how
there are
to.
multiple reasons why this may be happening. We definitely need to check your resume, how the resume is, how you have written the projects, how skill sets you
Okay.
have actually put up, how you have explained your projects over there, what is your role that you have actually written. So,
Okay.
are you part of any iNeuron batch, sir, any course as such?
No, sir. I've been following you on YouTube only, but
Okay.
not have been not enrolled in Iron.
Okay. So suppose let's say like if you had enrolled for iNeuron, right? Any of the courses. So we have all 7 days sessions, for resume preparation, where dedicated
Okay.
mentors will be there, who will be helping you out with the resume session and mock interviews also simultaneously, so that you'll be able to
Okay.
clear that. See, the thing is that you can basically ask me to review your resume. You can drop me a mail for that. But again, if I really want to put more pointers, but in this case, what will happen, the support team, the mentor will be sitting along with you. Line by line, he'll be
Right.
seeing your resume. He'll be making sure that you update all those things with respect to that. Okay. But anyhow,
Okay.
just drop me a mail with your resume and I can give you some key pointers, what you really need to do. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, please. So next question. Sandesh. Okay, Sandesh, your voice is not audible. Prayas, go ahead.
Yes, sir. I have recently enrolled for the FSDS batch 2.0 in iNeuron, and must say that the guys are doing a fantastic job right there. Yeah. So, sir,
I've heard your first session went for 10 hours, right?
Yes. It's wonderful. So I wanted to congratulate you on that. On the Neuro Labs also, it's just phenomenal. Everything is there. Sir, also I wanted to ask, like, it is also necessary to enroll for that projects batch which you are launching right now?
If you are there in the FSDS, don't worry. Their projects will also get completed. Okay.
Okay.
I don't want you all to. I want you all to start from Python. See, the prerequisite for this project batch is that you need to know good Python experience. Like you should at least know how to code. You should know about all the machine learning algorithm. You should know some of the best methodologies. In this data science projects, whatever topics are going to get covered, it will get covered in FSDS batch. But again, to additionally boost your thing, you can probably join it in the later stages. Not at all.
Yes, I really want to join. I wanted to ask the difference of the level of projects that are provided.
Same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
There, the project name will be different. Here, the project names are different. So we are trying to create multiple domain pipeline projects.
Okay. And so just one more thing. Whenever, sir, we are applying for a job from LinkedIn, there it is written like 2 years of experience. So when they write like 2 years of experience, do they mean overall experience or just overall experience? Like someone is trying to switch from different background to this.
All is possible, sir. We have our transition stories. You can check in LinkedIn. You can check in Hall of Fame of iNeuron. All those people who are from different backgrounds. We have helped them.
I've gone to the blog. Then it's really good. So I also once more congratulate on everything. Thank you.
Yeah. Next person. Yeah. Go ahead, guys. If you have any more questions, Ananya, go ahead. You can unmute yourself, Ananya.
Hi, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah. You're audible.
Sir, I have 2 questions. First one is that I have my placements in next May. So is it possible for me to, learn data science? Like if I start now, is it possible?
Right now you want to start learning data science. In 2 months you want
I have a base of Python, but I want to start data science now. So is it possible?
Yeah, it is. It depends on how many hours you give and how many productive hours you give, right?
Yeah.
See, what I believe in life is that nothing is impossible. Okay?
Yeah. So I also have one question that there is, a data analytics course running right now. So is it like if I attend that course, the live classes, will it work for the data science, like both the things,
No.
like data science as well? No.
In data analytics, you specifically need to learn Python, statistics, any business intelligence tool like Power BI, Tableau, or then you have to also learn about MySQL in a better way, in a detailed way, because most of the interview questions are with respect to that, and advanced Excel. So all these are the main topics in FSDA. In FSDS, basically in data science, you have to basically learn about Python, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, NLP. All these things will come. Now, it's not like a data scientist cannot do a work of data analyst, because he or she will definitely know the programming languages, and they can basically participate with respect to that. Okay.
So, and like any of the data science course that is going to launch near,
So
like in the near
recently, we
future?
have just launched last week FSDS batch, full stack data science bootcamp 2.0. So you can basically join that, because
so
there you
it's,
have all the recorded videos also from the previous batch.
Okay. So like it's available on the TechNeuron platform as well, because I'm a member in that as well.
Yeah. So in TechNeuron, you have the name as FSDS Masters. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Hi, Anjali. Sir, I'm from pharmacy background. I just want to ask, like, do we have scope for data science in pharmacy?
Obviously, statistical analysis basically happens with medicines and all a lot, like COVID vaccines
Sure,
and all.
but like if I do the course right now, because I'm pursuing, I'm in the last year. So like after I'll be completing my course in 2023, March or
You can definitely apply for this. The FSDS batch is super for you. Okay. Because it will anyhow take 1 year to complete over there. If you want to also go with your own speed, since you're a student, you can also watch the self-paced videos.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, please, next
Hello.
question. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Krishna, go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, sir. First of all, thank you for the opportunity. I'm currently a mechanical engineer by profession. I also have a bit of experience in Python coding. In one of my partial projects in algo-based trading. So I have enrolled for your bootcamp version 2.0 course yesterday. So what my question here is, I can also see last year course videos. So I want to fasten my learning curve in this one. So is it okay if I watch the previous version videos, in a bit advance, so that I can start applying for the jobs, or which one would you suggest?
No. Just go with that flow only, what you're telling with respect to the first option. Okay.
Yeah. I just want to know. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I have selected Alzheimer's disease prediction, like medical image classification for my final year project. But I didn't learn any machine learning algorithms. I know only Python. No, actually, what is the way to learn this? Medical image classification means, should I go through all the playlist of machine learning, or is there any shortcut?
Say medical image classification, you are saying, right?
Yeah, sir. Using
so
ML.
you need to know the knowledge of both ML and DL, deep learning. So mostly you'll be using the vision part later on, but I would suggest start with ML.
The ML playlist you have, I should go through all, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. See, some of the questions that are coming are with respect to data science industry ready project. Okay, so again, let me tell you what this project is all about. See, data science industry project is a 5 months or 4 to 5 months program where we focus on implementing rail-to-rail end project. Now, see, what is the problem with respect to this? Is that many people have learned machine learning, deep learning, NLP. They have implemented some of the projects, but still the companies, what they do is that they look for people who have done some good industry grade projects, right? So that is the reason why we have come up with this. Here, we are going to basically solve 5 different projects. One is the sensor fault detection. So here you'll be seeing that there'll be a data pipeline which will be generating the sensor data. And we will go to each and every step like this, like how in the real world, when you are in a project team, how things work. What is the business use case? What is the architecture? How do you design the architecture? What is high level design? What is low level design? What is CI/CD pipeline? What is the technology stack? How you have to basically create the ML pipeline? how you have to train that specific ML pipeline, how the inferencing pipeline will basically happen. And let's say once you deploy it, right? Because this pipeline, the life cycle of a data science project needs to create it in pipeline model, right? So like you have data ingestion, you have data validation, you have something like this, right? Now, if I talk about some of the examples of the project, like how we are going to define it will definitely match this standard. See, if I probably search for Keras tensor GitHub, okay? Let's say Keras is a deep learning library, which is an open source. And here, if you probably go and see in this GitHub, how this folder structure is there, no? Similar kind of folder structure will be there because we will be also creating GitHub CI/CD pipeline, which is with the help of GitHub Actions. So this kind of YAML file will be created. Just in one click of button, the entire deployment will basically happen. So this level of project is basically going to get explained over there. And the best thing about this industry grid project is that this project, like let's say one project is there, this will take a full month to implement. So as a team, we'll be implementing all the modules, slow by slow, every module will be implemented. And then finally, we will be pushing it to different clouds like AWS, Azure, GCP and all. And along with that, we'll also be monitoring all these things. And we'll also try to find out after the result is gained, how we create a dashboard and how we make sure this entire thing is automated. Okay, so for some of the people who are telling me to talk about the data science industry ready project, this is what, and this is basically starting from 24th September. That is just in a couple of days. The timing will be morning 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, and here I will also be the mentor. You'll be seeing Avnish is the mentor, Ketan is the mentor, Sudhanshu is also the mentor. So we will be coming for some specific projects and we will be implementing along with the entire team. Along with this, there'll be 4 to 5 people for the support also. Okay, so this was the quick announcement since many people were asking that particular question. Okay, yeah, now we can go ahead with the question, please. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, guys.
Hello. So can
yes,
you
Sai Prakash. Yes.
Yes. Hi, sir. Currently, I'm a BSc third year student. And I have a basic programming like Python and I know a little bit of MySQL. So I want to make my career in data science. So how could I start my journey in this?
Yeah. So you are in BSc?
Yes, third year.
BSc third year.
Yes. BSc computer science.
Yeah, don't worry. Then this is obviously applicable, no, for you.
Yes,
and it'll probably, you already have the programming knowledge. Just follow the roadmap, what I've actually taught from YouTube, or join the batch, which is FSDS batch, which just started last week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, and the best thing with FSDS batch is that we'll train you in such a way, and it has a job guaranteed program. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Can I complete the can I do it in 3 to 4 months and build a project out of it?
Self-paced courses. Yeah. Self-paced course is also there inside that. No, all the recordings will be available to you. You can go with your own speed.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes.
Hi, Krish.
Yes, Sarath, go ahead.
Yeah, one more question. Actually, I have completed 5 days deep learning playlist. One video was there, right? So to clear the deep learning interview, how much more I have to learn, or what else I have to learn?
Need to know object detection. You need to know different kind of object detection things. You need to know about RNN, LSTM, RNN for solving NLP text data. If you have a data set and then you have BERT and transformers, all these topics you really need to understand and implement a lot of end-to-end deployment projects. So that is the reason why this data science industry ready project is for that specific purpose. People who know this, right, and they really want to understand that how in a real world industry we basically solve a project, we do that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Krish.
Yeah. Yes. Please go ahead.
Myself, Dikshit.
Yeah, Dikshit.
I am a member of Techneuron. In Techneuron, we have for data science people, we have like full stack data science course, like pre-recorded. I have a small request in that, what I have went through the whole that course. I'm presently in computer vision part. In that, where I'm facing the issues first machine learning parts are from 2021, 2021 batch, and recorded videos of computer vision is
don't worry, sir. Don't worry. We have planned for that. It will get updated in a month or couple of months. Okay.
Thank you, sir. One more question is Techneuron people have the access for this project session.
Only the recordings you'll be able to get it, sir. Because see, this projects, right? Data science industry project. I know that this was the most common question that was asked, whether it is involved in Techneuron. Yes, it is obviously involved. You'll get the recordings and support you'll get in the back end. Okay. But in the live classes, right, we have to sit along with the people. We have to make sure. So the batch strength Should be precise with
recorded is enough, sir. Thank you so much. I like one more thing, like I want to say thank you for your YouTube video so much. Like I got like job through your videos only for data science job.
Amazing, sir. Congratulations. Please at least drop a mail, sir, so that we can keep a track of like how many people have got placed, right? Some people are shy to talk about like they've got the placement also. But yeah, openly saying that is amazing. Please drop me a mail.
It's only like
welcome
10
to the
months I'm working in industry now.
Wow,
Thank
that
you so
is
much,
amazing.
Sir.
That is amazing. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Krish,
But
sorry
Dixit,
to
please
interrupt
drop.
in between.
Just a second.
Yes,
Dixit,
sir.
please drop me a mail, okay? Just
Okay,
to
sir.
keep a
Sure,
record of that.
Okay.
Yeah, Ananya, go ahead.
Sorry to interrupt you in between. Sir, I cannot find the course you are talking about. Can you please share the screen and tell me the data science course you were talking about? Data science course you were talking about.
Industry
No,
grade?
no, the bootcamp course you were telling me.
Okay. See, I'll share you that, okay? So if you probably go over here, see data science, full stack data science, okay? If you go from the courses, full stack data science, if you click this is the bootcamp 2.0.
Yeah.
Okay. And let's say you want to chat with any people also to understand more detailed about it, you can go and click over here and start chatting with the people also. We have our support team in the backend. So this batch is started from 17th September. So just a couple of classes have happened. One was the induction session and we started with Python. Okay. Now you can probably, yeah.
Yeah, will I have to buy it like I'm a part of the Techneuron part?
Then if you're a part of Techneuron, then you already have this FSDS Masters, no? That particular batch is already there in Techneuron. You can follow that.
So now I will have to like no live classes are going to be there. Like I have to carry on with the video lectures.
No, see, sir, see, ma'am, what is that we don't put this kind of job guaranteed program in Techneuron. Okay, that is the truth, and that has already been announced previously. But we have this entire recordings over there, and we keep on updating those recordings, you know, as time passes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Krish.
Yes.
It's Rishabh.
Yeah, Rishabh, go ahead.
Sir, I wanted to confirm one thing. I am a data scientist in TCS, and I'm working in a project. But I am little bit confused on that the projects, the model which they are using, they're using a pre-trained model which is done by a GCP, Google Cloud Platform, by a Google people. But we do not have a exposure of creating a whole model with our own hands. So I have also talked with all some data scientists in LinkedIn, and they told that in service-based companies mostly they are use the pre-trained models, not they have to made a whole model by hands. But I am confused that even if I wanted to change the company from here to anyone else, so what experience should I give, or what experience should I write in my resume such that my resume was selected?
See, whatever thing you are basically saying in the current company, definitely say that. Okay. Definitely say that. Talk about that specific part also. But see, it depends to company. I've also seen in companies because see, this Google and all, some of the use cases, you know, that specific use case is already a state-of-art model may have got created by bigger companies like Google or some other Amazon or something like that, and they're just going to use it. So in your resume, you should also focus on writing that information and what all information you also know, right? It should not be shown like you don't know how to train a model from scratch because you already know that, right? Yes, in companies, you have a different requirement. You are working with respect to that. Clear?
I also talk with my manager and everyone else that how should we learn that how model is performing, which algorithms they are using. They said that Google do not reveal that which algorithm
they'll not reveal it. No, they'll not reveal it. Okay,
because that project is NLP project. So we are actually extracting text from purchase order parcel. So that's the problem, and that's I'm confused what should I write so such that the resume selected for me.
See, sir, what I'll say, Rishabh, see, one point to your questions, right? It's like learn both the things. Okay, that is the most simplest way that I really want to give. Keep all the possibilities open. Tomorrow you may probably go to another company, you may ask something else, or they may ask you something else. Like I went in Panasonic, right? They told me to create everything from scratch, right? Similarly, I was working in Honeywell. They told me to use some of the predefined, pre-trained models, right? So companies to company. The thing is that you should always keep your possibilities open to work in different things.
So, sir, it's not a disadvantage. I feel it's
not a disadvantage. No, it is not a disadvantage. You should be very happy. Okay, You should try to explore multiple tools and frameworks also.
But I'm happy that they are using both cloud platform, GCP and Azure. So that exposure is very good for cloud platform. But
you know, at one point of time, I was also using .NET to basically pull or use their, I was using .NET programming language to use Azure pre-trained models, okay, in one of my projects. But I was okay with that because I'm getting more possibilities to learn different things. So this is also possible.
So second question is that in your project program, which is going on after 2 days, after implementing all the models, we are seeing that model by using Flask or Django, whichever. So which technique will you use to display the UI of
if the application is very big, we'll use Django. Otherwise, we'll go with Flask. See, at the end of the day, main focus should be that you will have to just create API endpoints so that whatever models, see, what is models? Models is nothing but AI module, right? That needs to, if that needs to get integrated with some of the, some of the applications or websites, you'll just be integrating with the help of APIs of that product, right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. This is a very good exposure because I am a little bit confused that I am in a position of data scientist or not, because I'm not using what you have told, what you have shown in your YouTube channel, whatever I have learned, everything. But I thought that when I go to industry, I have to use that technique as well. But no. I'm not using that. I'm using the pre-trained models.
That is the thing, no, sir. See, we always have to think in terms of open source mentoring. Okay. We cannot, otherwise I can just make a video on AWS Azure, right? Using pre-trained models. But the thing is that you'll never be able to understand how that models are actually created. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishabh. Yeah. Next question, please.
Hello, sir. So
yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, so basically I want a career advice from you. Actually, I have a 4 years of career gap, and I took up a data science course also last year. The thing is, I was balancing out with my competitive exam preparation. Now my question comes: I was able to learn the basics, but somewhere now I feel, should I start over again? Should I enroll in some another course and start again? Or like people are telling that better do a master's degree and you can shift easily. Like what should I do at such situation?
So currently, how much you have actually learned? First of all, you have to tell me that.
So I know, basically, I can tell that I know the basics of machine learning. I'm done still machine learning. The thing is, I have not implemented a project end to end. That is where I'm lacking. That's what I felt.
But you have some practical experience, you're saying?
Practical experience in the sense, work experience?
No. Have you worked on some of the things? Have you done some coding?
Yes, so I have followed your YouTube channel. I have done a few projects from that.
Okay, perfect. Then this, you can probably take up this industry grade project. See, I'll not suggest you to go to directly do masters right now. I will say that at least get some experience in industry. Okay. And then you do the masters. That is always a very good option. And now you will be seeing people, they'll be probably working for 1 or 2 years, and then they'll go to them doing the masters, because when you do the masters, right, this work experience will count a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and so somewhere I'm a bit scared also, like after 4 years of career gap, is it possible like to do a transition?
Okay, there may be different reasons why career gap may be there. Okay. The thing is that right now I would suggest start doing internships. Okay, like iNeuron has an internship open to all. So probably if you're probably joining this full stack data science industry bootcamp, right? So sorry, data science industry projects in mid, right? We'll make a groups of you all, and we'll be telling you to join the internship where projects are there, many projects, and you have to probably follow that, and you have to implement all the projects as a team.
Okay. So, and I have one more question. Like if I take up data science, like if I look into long term, like now I understand that I have to get into the industry and all, but what should be my actual goal 5 years down the line, 3 years down the line? So like back of my head, I need a goal, right? I'm working for this. Like what should be that approach?
So what I really need to understand that what is your main aim? What do you really want to be? Do you want to become a product manager? You want to just be a data analyst? Or probably you just want to focus on becoming a developer. So I really need to understand, first of all, what you are really interested in. And based on that only, you have to set up your goal. What do you like? Do you like coding? or you just like having a business discussion, then probably you can become a product manager, you can become a product owner, or you like managing team, then you can become a project manager, right? There are different roles and responsibilities even in a different data science projects.
Got it. So basically we have to go based on our interest.
Yes. Find your goal. What you are interested, like today, if you tell me I can teach for 24 hours, I don't have any problem.
Okay.
Right? See, I can teach, I can implement, I like coding, and I like to convey the information. So this is my goal. I know that, and I'll try to improve in this. Right? So this is my goal. So I've probably, see, what did I require initially? I required a 10 years experience because I really wanted to check out the industry first. Okay. And then finally I came into this process that now I can help people to make a successful career transitions. And that is the reason I became a mentor. We started iNeuron for some specific purpose, right?
Got it, sir. Got it. Thank you, sir. I got a clarity. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Please go ahead with the next question, guys.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. One by one. Adam Gilchrist. He's written his name as Adam Gilchrist. Okay.
Yeah, that's my original name, Krish. Thanks for letting me know.
Okay, I thought you have just kept it for fun's sake.
No, that's my original name, actually. Thank you for firstly, actually, because I'm very transition from aerospace to data science. I'm being in Korea.
Amazing. Tell me your story,
to you,
sir.
actually.
I really want to know your story, definitely.
Okay,
So what kind of
it's like
transition
I made like bachelor's and master's both in aerospace, actually. Like after that, I came to Korea working in like autonomous drone projects, actually. So while working in drone projects, I came to know about the power of the machine learning and AI during those projects, actually. So as I think you may know that Koreans are not so good in English, actually, basically. So we need to communicate with them in Korean. But during that time, at that point of moment, like one moment, like there was no resource in terms of AI in this particular project where I'm working as project engineer in drones. So it took some time for me to getting a person who can speak English in Korea, actually, like who had a background from AI. So during that time, I was like, filling to the online resources. During that time, I came to know about your YouTube channels, and like from that, gradually started up and picking this, and gradually I became like data scientist now, actually. So that's why I've given good credit to you, actually, from the bottom of our. This is not just like because of Zoom I'm telling, but really I mean that the thankfulness to you.
Congratulations, sir. That is my goal, to help people make successful career transitions. And I hope it has helped you a lot. Yeah.
Thanks, Krish. Thanks, Krish. Yeah, I have two questions, actually. This is regarding music generation, actually. I asked, like, I've been a member of Untitled also. Like a month before or 2 months back, I raised a ticket, like, create a module on music generation. I'm not sure it is not yet. I researched some courses, but there is no specific courses for music generation, actually. So I want to clarify, is there any plan of uploading it regarding that, or?
Sir, music generation, right? See, the thing is that with respect to TechNeuron, right? When you probably create a topic specific module, right? It will take probably some time because we first of all focus on complete all the course modules. But I will definitely tell my team to start working on this. And music generation is pretty much simple. If we basically use a transformer and BERT, it will be able to generate it. But at the end of the day, you really need to have a huge amount of data to get an accurate model. Okay. I will just raise this concern to my team. I'll tell them to start working on this. Okay.
Okay. To input more on that, actually, Krishna, like actually, I already like tested like transformers, LSTM, and all those things based on the principles that we use in NLP. Basically, transformers work on that space, right? So this is industrial oriented projects, like it's kind of like bigger application, not like like POC concept or nothing like that. It's a real application. So we came to realize that after on top of LSTM, we need some other model in which I couldn't able to reveal here, actually. So on top of LSTM model, we are applying like one more model onto that, actually. So along with that, I want to have a general idea. I was always hoping that if I get some information from Untitled or through you, I feel safe and I feel it's an authentication information.
Sir, just Adam, do one thing, no? Just drop me a mail with all your requirements and just basic requirements, and then I'll tell my team to start working on it. Okay.
Sure.
So you know my email ID, right? So
yes, krishnax06@gmail.com, right?
Yeah, you can just drop me a mail on that. Okay.
Sure.
I'll try my level best to quickly finish this off and probably put that particular project for you all. Okay.
Much appreciated. Thank you, Krish.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a good day. Yeah, bye.
Yeah, same. Bye.
Hello,
yeah,
sir.
Next question.
Hi,
Yeah,
sir.
go
How are
ahead.
you? Hi, sir.
Yeah, Mohammad Junaid, go ahead, please.
यस सर मेरा एक्सपीरियंस सर MIS में है, इनटू एक्सेल यूज करना है। तो अभी मैं करियर स्विच करना है मुझे, और डेटा साइंस और डेटा एनालिस्ट में डिफरेंस क्या है?
देखिए, डेटा एनालिटिक्स बोलते हैं ना, तो डेटा एनालिटिक्स में बहुत सारे चीज आ सकता है। बिग डेटा आ सकता है, डेटा एनालिस्ट वाला काम आ सकता है, डेटा साइंस में आ सकता है, ठीक है। बट हम लोगों का प्रैक्टिस ये रहता है कि हम लोग डेटा एनालिटिक्स से बात करते हैं, मोस्टली डेटा एनालिस्ट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात करते हैं। बट ऐसा नहीं है कि दूसरे भी नहीं आते हैं, बट आ सकते हैं। बट डेटा साइंस स्पेसिफिक अगर आप बात करेंगे तो डेटा साइंस के रिलेटेड में ही बात करूंगा, ठीक है।
ओके, और मुझे ये जानना था कि मैं तो कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड हूँ, सो कौन सा कोर्स लेना चाहिए, कौन सा कोर्स करना चाहिए?
FSDS Bootcamp, अभी जो मैं 2.0 दिखाया था ना आपको, वही वाला कर लीजिए। तो आपको मैं फिर से स्क्रीन शेयर कर देता हूँ। तो ये वाला जो है, ये जॉब गारंटेड प्रोग्राम है, ठीक है। ये जॉब गारंटेड प्रोग्राम है, तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। ये वाला जो ये स्टार्ट हुआ है, ये लास्ट वीक ही, तो प्रोबेबली आप ये वाला चीज ले सकते हैं। और इसमें अभी 10% ऑफ भी चल रहा है। आप मेरा कूपन कोड यूज कर लीजिएगा जब एनरोल नाउ करते हैं ना, तो यहाँ पे क्रिस्टन यूज कर लीजिए। देखिए, क्रिस्टन अप्लाई करते हैं तो आपको डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Hello, sir.
Hello,
sir. Yeah.
Hi, sir. My name is Pradeep, and I have 17 years of IT experience. Okay, completely into. I was into technical before, and then now doing the people and delivery management. Okay, but I'm not finding it much fun these days. So, I would like to go back to my technical role, sir. Okay, so I'm planning to do a transition. I've seen a lot of the real world problems that are being solved by data science, and I like Python a lot because I was the one who brought in Python to the test automation in our company. So I'm just looking for what kind of roles I can look for if I plan to do a transition in the data science, sir. Because given my experience,
do you really want to be in the technical field or management field? First of all, tell me this.
I would look for a leadership role, sir. Actually, currently, I'm in a senior leadership role in my organization. So
no, that is fine, sir. But in the tech side or in the management side? First of all, you have to tell me that.
Okay, on the tech side, sir.
On the tech side, then your solution architect would be the role for you. Okay. But with respect to skill sets, you need to know good amount of big data. Okay. And with respect to that, data science architecture.
Okay.
So again, for you, what I would suggest is that I think there's a lot of noise. Amar, please. Okay. Pradeep, right?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Okay. So the thing is that what I was actually saying is that with respect to big data, you really need to have good amount of knowledge and the entire data science architect. Okay. If you know this and some knowledge of cloud, that will be sufficient to get into the solution architect role. And again, my suggestion would be that just check out this data science industry ready project, because there we are trying to focus on all, the data pipeline architecture till all the module of the life cycle of data science project. And considering you, right, we'll put you in one team where you'll be the lead, who'll be handling the entire team, and you'll be guiding them with respect to the implementation. So that kind of plans are there with respect to that particular implementation batch. Okay.
Okay. But the prerequisite is you need to have ML and DL knowledge,
yes,
right?
That you really need to have ML and DL knowledge. You really need to have. Okay. See, I know that you will not be doing the coding. Okay, but you really need to understand. Because tomorrow, one of the team member will come and say that, sir, how we can implement this. You should be able to guide them. Right. So considering that, this is the roadmap I feel for you.
Okay? Sure, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
And this is the roadmap for all the people who have more than 8+ years of experience. They have to basically have this strong roadmap also. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello,
go ahead with the next one. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. This is Supriya.
Yes,
Actually,
Supriya.
sir,
Yeah, actually, I am part of TechNewden, and I have discussed with your team for a data science industry review project.
Yeah, that is available now, so in recorded mode.
Okay. So, but any live class is not available, right?
See, live classes, it will not be available because it becomes difficult to handle the batch, because there will be doubt clearing session a lot. For you, the doubt clearing will happen in the backend with the support team. Okay. Yeah. Yes, please go ahead with the next question, guys.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. This is
Yeah.
Krish.
Yeah, Hitesh, go ahead.
Actually, I'm working in Delhi Metro right now, and I want to transit from an electrical engineer role to data scientist. So, what will be the roadmap? Actually, I'm already getting 5 years of experience in the automation of trains. So, will I be able to incorporate in the resume? Will
Yes,
be
sir.
helpful?
Yes, definitely. It will be definitely helpful. You just need to think that how you are basically going to use AI in your domain. That's it. Okay.
Yeah, so I have actually joined your interview sessions, interview and resume building.
So there we'll be discussing about that. Okay. When we are going to discuss the general architecture of the project. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Krish.
Yes.
From here.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Krish, I just have a technical question. So I'm working on a time series forecasting problem statement along with the ML problem statement. So in time series forecasting, so the my use case is multivariate multi-step analysis. So multivariate is like multiple independent feature with the 7-day forecasting. So which turn out to be a multi-step. So over here, so I just had one question regarding. So out of the 12 input feature, only 3 feature are having a skewness in the data, skewness around 0.8 to 1 plus and minus. So when I do a data transformation, so I need to do a data transformation of only these 3 feature or of all the feature.
No, of these 3 feature will be sufficient.
Okay, and how to save these 3 feature name? Because while training, I can note down these 3 feature name, but while prediction, how to get these 3 feature name?
Don't train considering the feature name, no? Considering the data, the level of the data, the order of the data should be in the same order when you're passing and doing the prediction also.
Okay, so you are saying that don't save the column name, instead just do the transformation based on the
focus
index.
on yes
index
order. Yeah.
Okay, so and once we do the data transformation, so do we need to do normalization, standardization also of every column?
It depends on algorithm to algorithm. Okay.
So I'm applying. It been a forecasting one, time series forecasting. So I'm planning to use bidirectional LSTM for a start.
Then you have to do. Then you have to
normalization and standardization, right?
Yeah.
And also I just want again because I have been always have slight confusion about the correct steps to be followed while implementing a ML model problem statement. So I got the data, I did some EDA, and I got some overview about the data, what need to be done. And after I did the data formatting or data massaging or data wrangling part. So now in that it includes dealing with the null value, filling all the null value, date transformation, and mapping, doing a label encoding all the for all the categorical column. And after that, I should be going with feature selection, or I should be first dealing with the skewness in the data or remove the outlier.
Skewness and all are feature transformation techniques. Okay, so first of all, you have to complete that.
Okay, so first I need to do this skewness and data transformation part. And which also mean I should be handling outlier first, and once everything is done, then I should be going with the feature selection process, right?
Yes.
And then once feature selection is done, and then it just you go with the fitment of a model, right? With the selected feature. And do we need to check the feature selection with every other algorithm available, like a PCA?
Yeah, you can try with 2 to 3 algorithms. Okay.
Okay, so this need to be done only one time, or every time we retrain our model in a month, so we have to do it again and again?
Yeah, you have to do at that time.
Again and again, right?
So we say it as pipeline, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
And suppose like in my organization, we don't have any GitHub or we don't have any MLOps tool available. So what we are doing currently is like we are using Anaconda or Spider. So how to create a pipeline in that one using sklearn, the one in which we have shown in one of your video?
Yeah. So I would suggest, sir, just join the data science industry project batch, because that will be amazing. Because see, in organization, if you're not using some tools, right, your work as a developer should be set that we have to use probably this tool. See, with respect to creating CI/CD pipeline, there are multiple options. Let's say GitHub Actions, Circle CI, so there are multiple CI/CD tools, which many companies uses it because they have already created that part. And the best advantage with GitHub Action or Circle CI, right? It is irrespective to cloud platforms. For all the cloud platform, you can basically implement all these things, right?
Okay.
See, and when you're talking about Anaconda or Spider, those are IDEs. Okay,
IDEs,
like
right,
VS
right.
Code. It is not tools or frameworks that we specifically use. But at the end of the day, if you really want to make this process smooth line, you have to use them.
Okay, so right now, like they have just told me that go and do development in that, and down the line we can fight for those other tools also for GitHub Action and MLOps. And just last thing, like mine case being multivariate and multi-stack forecasting. So which would be the ideal algorithm you would like based on your experience to look into? I'm using bidirectional LSTM and LSTM.
No, sir, there are much advanced algorithms that are available that just only focus on that. See, with respect to transformer, encoder, decoder, bidirectional LSTM is one. Okay, you have to probably try multiple algorithms as such.
Serimax also, right? I tried to Serimax, Arima and Serimax.
Serimax, just try with FB Prophet, which is a Facebook tool. Just see
I think
that.
it's for univariate only Prophet, I think.
Then you have to check for multivariate also with respect to that. I have not explored much multivariate, but definitely you should try different algorithms. Okay.
Okay, so it's just like, just to brush up again, sorry for extra time. So I need to do EDA and then deal with the data, they go with the data and feature engineering. And once after all those, I need to go with the feature selection, right?
Yeah.
That would be the sequence. Oh, okay. Yeah. Thanks, Krish. I was waiting to have a word with you since long. Thank you.
Sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir.
Jeevan Gaudru.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Krish.
Jeevan. Yeah,
Hello,
Jeevan.
sir. I'm Jeevan, sir.
Yeah, Jeevan.
Thank you for this opportunity, sir. I'm a third year computer science engineering student, sir. I have finished my course up till Python exploratory data analysis. So is it for a data science field, do we require experience, or as a fresher we will get a job, sir?
See, as a fresher, if you have the good skill sets, everything is good, you will be able to get it. To make it much more stronger, you just do internships. In iNeuron, internship is open for all. Okay.
Okay, sir. I have applied for an internship in Optum, sir, and I will be doing that.
Sure. Yeah, Nakul, go ahead. Nakul, go ahead.
Hi, I just have a general question. So I'm a law graduate working at Deloitte. I have like 2 years of experience, and I'm looking to transition into the data science industry. Now, given that I work in an industry which is law, which is quite subjective in nature, I just wanted to know, will I be able to transition into that field, or what roadmap would you suggest me to take up? Or
currently, what tech field you are working in, sir?
Legal. So basically, contract abstraction, doc reviews, basically reviewing all these. Essentially, if I break it down, I do have to review data because these documents are essentially data types, right?
How's your experience with programming, sir?
I'm totally a beginner. I've started. I'm like 1 or 2 months into starting my data science journey. I've just started Python.
So, if with respect to use case, if I talk, right, you'll be able to solve a lot of use cases. But again, your roadmap should be that start from basic Python. Okay. Yeah. Initially, try to learn as a data analyst. Tools like data analyst, right? Like Python, statistics, any business analytics tool, and MySQL. So if you learn these 4 skill sets, that will be more than sufficient. Later on, let's say that you want to create some good models and all, data science, machine learning, you can basically start. You'll be able to automate a lot of tasks. I've seen because I also run a company, right? How many legal compliances will be coming and all. We do write Python code and we try to automate most of the things.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Ashish Kushwa.
Yes, sir. Big fan, sir. Sir, I have 3 questions. First is, sir, okay, I know how to use library like for machine learning, deep learning, but when I got any task to write something from scratch, okay, and I see all the complex coding of like very professional coders in, let's say, Python, okay, like they have implemented some programming, like let's say, and a centroid tracker, okay, of any object or anything like YOLO from scratch. So whenever I try, I fail to do it. So like, how should I be good at coding? What should I learn to write that kind of complex coding?
Okay. So with respect to complex coding, data science industry project is the course for you, sir. Okay. So see, what is the main problem that I have seen from people, right? They know many things. They know theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge. Sometimes they basically lag in that, And the main practical knowledge, when I say, right, following the industrial standards, and that is not like you'll be able to do it in 1 or 2 days. Okay, you have a specific pipeline and structure to basically follow. You need to understand that how projects are implemented, how projects are basically implemented with the help of agile process, how sprints are basically created, and then how every module is assigned and basically completed in a team. So all these things that you specifically need to know. Now, when I talk about complexity, because see, at the end of the day, your project will be very big, right? In a huge scale, when you basically work in a data science project itself. You focus on the entire life cycle of a data science project, right? So once you are able to do this, then only you will be able to basically complete that particular project itself. For that, you require practice. You require.
Sir, so if let's say if I need to write an algorithm from scratch, so do I need to learn DSA also?
No, not DSA. So there is a structure of writing the algorithm. See, DSA, I'll talk about data structures and algorithm. So DSA will actually make you a programmer which will be implementing some amazing logics with amazing logics itself. It will help you to become stronger in programmer, right? So don't say that I have to learn DSA separately. Just say that DSA is a part of routine. In data science also, we'll be using data structures like list, dictionaries, tuples, sets, and all, right? Algorithms, we basically use machine learning algorithms. And machine learning algorithm is also kind of like an efficient way of creating some modules or training your models itself, right? That is what machine learning algorithms is all about. So keep it as a part of your, it'll make you a better developer, right? With respect to writing clean code, with respect to writing an efficient code.
Okay, sir, 2 more small questions, sir. I have enrolled in this course. I've enrolled in the very first day when you announced. Sir, when it will come, like we will cover 5 projects, so I think it may last long, like April or May, I guess.
No. So our plan is basically to complete this till November. We'll try to complete the 5 projects, and then we'll also give some practice projects like an internship project kind of thing.
So, sir, should I start looking for job or should I wait for more time? Like
at least complete 1 project, then start looking for jobs.
Then I will look for job. And sir, November till it will complete, because like
November to December. November to December. See, whenever there is a holiday, we will give you a holiday, but hardly in the weekends holiday will come. So we are going to take the class. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello,
yeah,
sir.
Mishra ji.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. I wanted to tell you that I passed out in 2020, and I did not take up any job to prepare for UPSC. Gave UPSC 2 attempts, was not able to clear. So now I want to transition into data science. Have been following you for the past few days regularly. Came to know about your YouTube channel just recently only. But I have a background of Python. I mean, I did my final year internship in Python. It was kind of a Python developer. So I do have a understanding of Python. So now my next step, according to your YouTube videos, is ML. Machine learning. So, sir, can you please give me the pathway to learn ML first thing, and second is obviously to tell me how to get over this 2-year gap and show.
Sir, once you finish Python, start
Yes,
applying for internships related to Python projects. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
in
Okay.
Ineron, there is a separate Python project internship. You can participate over there. Now, no
Okay,
career
okay.
gap should be there. Okay. Now you should start
Okay.
filling up that career gap. And later on,
Okay,
when
sir.
you learn machine learning, participate in that internship. If you're able to get the job with respect to Python projects also, because as a
Okay.
Python web developer also, you can basically join companies. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes,
slowly,
sir.
slowly accumulate the skills and slowly start participating in the internship.
Okay, sir. So that means you are not suggesting me to, just learn ML and then apply for ML. If I get an
No,
opportunity,
learn ML, start learning ML. But before that, since you're saying you're good at Python, start participating in the internship related to Python.
Okay, and should I start, applying for jobs which are related to Python developer and something related to this, or should I wait for,
No,
learn
start
ML?
applying. If you are able to get
Start
an
applying.
opportunity, start applying.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. And I can see that you have a playlist for ML in your YouTube. So is it right to follow it or anything else? Any course, even if you suggest, I'll follow it. I mean, whatever you
The
will
course,
suggest.
as I suggested, right? This is the Full Stack Data Science Bootcamp 2.0. So
Okay,
in
sir.
this, you
Okay.
also have all the self-paced course also, and you also have
Okay.
live sessions. So in this,
sir.
just participate through it. Start applying for internship within this particular course, because in this course also we have made sure that internship is compulsory for all. So
Okay,
that it
sir.
will remove your career gaps. It will start
Yes.
working in the industry, get projects and all. So
Yes, sir. Yes,
already
sir.
just go over here, click on data science, go on full stack data science, and this is the first course that you'll be able to find out. Okay. And here
Okay,
you
sir.
can basically use my code, Christian, you'll get additional 10% off. Okay. But this will be
Okay,
for
sir.
lifetime available for you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. And sir, since I know Python, so I can, skim through Python classes quickly and, come to ML. Is that possible?
Yeah, this is just started last week,
Okay,
So
okay.
it is up to you. Okay. But just
Okay.
try to see the level of the recording ones, because Python we don't teach just in Jupyter Notebook. So you'll be finding more complex code and all that.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, I got your point. Okay, sir.
Hello.
Thank you very much.
Hello there, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Just
Hello,
a
sir.
second.
Hello.
Just a second.
Somin. Hello, Somin.
Yeah, sir, please.
Hello, sir.
Surbanil, go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. So I have been following you for the past 2 days. So I'm in the 4th year right now. I got a placement from my campus recruitment, but I have tried my hands on the front end projects, and also I did DSA like most regularly. So I'm a programmer myself. I consider myself a programmer. Hello. So I kind of dived
Just
into
a second, Somin. Yeah, go
Okay.
ahead. Go ahead.
So I have kind of dived into the data science. Like I have been following your videos, like how to go through that. The booming industry it has, and also like I have started a course from the Coursera, like IBM Data Science. So I thought like a data science is the umbrella under which like data analytics, everything comes under, like NLP, everything. So could you just suggest me something that which is the direction I should choose, like data analytics or any other thing? Like I'm just a
So first of all, tell me about your interest. What exactly is your interest?
like my interest is basically in the business and kind of data analytics. Like I have researched about it, and like it's kind of in my mind also.
So I'd suggest go with data analyst work role. Okay. But later on, if you really want to make a transition towards data science, you can definitely make it at any point of time.
Okay. But I need to I'd like to like make projects on the data science also. So for that case, I need to learn like linear algebra, like for that.
So don't learn linear algebra separately. It's not like the entire core entire linear algebra is used in data science. Wherever it is required, you have to probably learn along with that. Okay. No need to learn separate statistics also.
Okay. Whenever there is a problem comes up with the project, and also the when I'm implementing, like when there is some kind of statistics involved, then I should learn about it. Okay. Thank you. And can I just opt for your course? Like will it be sufficient for me? Like from a data.
Yeah, this Full Stack Bootcamp 2.0 will be sufficient for you. Do you want the link? I will give you the link also. Okay.
I have the link. I have sorted it out. But I just like at this point of time, I was paying the college fees all by myself, and I don't have the kind of money at this point of time, so that could buy.
Then what you can do, follow my playlist. Okay. Try to get the job first of all, and then you try to excel more in the technology side. Okay, because I've also uploaded a lot of videos from my YouTube channel. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, thank
Hello,
you,
sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Go ahead,
Hello.
Pushpish
Hello,
Pandey.
sir. Can I speak
Yeah.
now?
Yeah.
Yes,
Speak
sir.
now.
Sir, actually, I have many queries, but the highlighted query is like I have a very big confusion that I am working presently from past 6 years in teaching industry. I am into like teaching students of IIT, JEE and all. Sir, actually, due to careers, I feel that there is a stagnancy in this field, teaching field. So I just want to switch my career to data science. And like uh, academically I have done MNC maths and computing में मेरा post graduation है IIT धनबाद से. But whenever I talk to my friends, they always disappoint me that it's too late to get into this field, and I'm very confused. Can you please help me out whether it is practically true that I can get a transition, or like I'll be getting something the way I want it? So can you guide me on that?
See, first of all, stop listening to others. Okay.
Yes.
Just stop listening to others, because there will be people, I've found in my life very less number of motivators. Instead, very negative people will also be there. Let's say I'm also learning something. They'll say, okay, some people, hey, this is not possible. ये होगा ही नहीं. कैसे हो सकता है? Huh? But if you see the transition stories, right, I probably share it in my LinkedIn, and probably if you go and see in our website, you see amazing people with 5 years career gap, people who are teachers, they're teaching in some engineering college or teachers somewhere else. There were people with career gaps, huge career gap, people who are from non-technical domain, people who are from different domain. They are able to make the transition. See, when at the point of time, right, at the end of the day, people are, ये कैसे हो सकता है? Possible? How it is possible, right?
Yes,
and probably you will
yes,
also be thinking, it will not be easy, but I'll not say that it is not impossible. You have to probably have a good proper roadmap. And for the people who have already made this transition, they also have basically worked for some good amount of period, like let's say 3-4 months. They've given their heart and soul for that, right? And now they're enjoying it, because now they also know the process.
Sir, actually, I am already like enrolled in FSDS batch. So, the thing is, I'm going a bit slowly because of my workload and all. So, but the thing is that sometimes I get demotivated as well. So, मैं छोड़ भी देता हूँ. But off and on मैंने एक continuity बनाई रखी है. Like I am just.
देखो. Just tell what is your goal in the upcoming 2 years. मेरे को ये अचीव करना है.
Yes,
ठीक है. और उसके हिसाब से प्रिपेयर करते जाओ. अब आपको बहुत जल्दी करना है, हड़बड़ी कर रहे हो. ठीक है. एक चीज होता है, उसका टाइम लगता ही है. अब मेरे पास कितना टाइम अवेलेबल है, हाउ मच टाइम आई हैव, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट व्हाट शुड बी माय प्रिपरेशन. डीमोटिवेट होने से हो तो तुम्हारा ही नुकसान है ना यार.
राइट सर.
अरे डीमोटिवेट होने से क्या होगा? आगे वाला बंदा बोल देगा यार तुमको कुछ नहीं आता है, और डीमोटिवेट हो जाओगे. बट व्हाई यू आर अलाउइंग यू टू अफेक्ट दैट ऑन यू? दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन. Right? Yes. You do your preparation. Yes. Don't worry what will be the final outcome. You are developing skill sets. You are learning more and more things. Where or the other way it will be used, no?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello. Amar, go ahead. Amar, go ahead.
Yes.
Amar?
Thank you, Krishna, sir.
Yeah.
जी सर.
बोलिए.
थैंक यू. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मतलब डायरेक्टली बात करके. और मैंने आपका अभी तक जो पाइथन का वगैरह जो आपके वीडियो है उसे पूरी तरह से फॉलो किया है. एमएल में करियर करना चाहता हूँ सर. एक्चुअली मैं पिछले 16 साल से मेरा खुद का इंस्टीट्यूट जो होता है बेसिक एक लोकल इंस्टीट्यूट चला रहा था. मतलब कोडिंग में वगैरह भी मैं अच्छा हूँ, पाइथन भी क्लियर है. अभी मैं आपका ये वीडियोस वगैरह देख के एमएल का प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ. तो मैं सिर्फ इतना पूछना चाहता था कि कोई बेसिकली कोर्स करके, अभी ये लॉकडाउन की वजह से मैंने इंस्टीट्यूट वगैरह सब कुछ मेरा अभी ऑफ कर दिया है. तो मैं अभी जॉब की ये कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ा सा एक लैंग्वेज का एक इशू है मेरा. बाकी ग्रास्पिंग पावर वगैरह मेरा बहुत अच्छा है, और एल्गोरिदम वगैरह मैं अभी आपके वीडियोस देख के भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से मतलब कर सकता हूँ. तो मैं ये पूछना चाहता था कि बेसिकली जैसे आप कोर्स के बारे में बता रहे थे, तो वो कोर्स ज्वाइन करना जरूरी, या फिर अपना ये जो नया कोर्स अभी डेटा साइंस का आ रहा है वो ज्वाइन करें?
सर ये डिपेंड करता है आपका स्किल सेट,
36 रनिंग है।
आपको स्किल सेट कितना कैसा है सर आपका, पहला बताइए। आप जब बताते हैं अपना एक्सपर्टी, आपका मशीन लर्निंग डीप लर्निंग में एक्सपर्टी क्या है? आप कर चुके हैं थोड़ा काम या बना चुके हैं प्रोजेक्ट्स?
जी बना चुका हूँ मैं। मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स ने कुछ यहाँ पे क्लासेस ज्वाइन की है, तो उनके जो प्रोजेक्ट्स है जैसे कि ये ट्रांसलेशन ट्रांसलेटर का ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है
तो
AWS
ठीक
के
है
ऊपर
सर,
के,
तो आपका
वो
बहुत ही
सब
सिंपल
मतलब मैं
गाइडलाइन
कर
होगा।
पाता। हाँ
देखिए अमर, आपका बहुत सिंपल गाइडलाइन है। आप ना ये डेटा साइंस इंडस्ट्री रेडी प्रोजेक्ट्स करिए और साथ साथ इंटर्नशिप करते जाइए। जैसे आप एक प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट कर देते ना, जॉब्स अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए। ये आपका सिंपल गाइडलाइन है।
ओके। तो मुझे वही कहना था कि इसमें जैसे अभी आप, जैसे मैंने अभी लाइव सेक्शन जो आपका पूरा सुना, तो इसमें मैंने देखा कि लैंग्वेज जो है तो थोड़ा सा मेरा 60-40 पकड़ के चलिए, इंग्लिश में इतना कमांड नहीं है। और जैसे बाकी स्किल की
नहीं सर,
जरूरत है, जैसे
डोंट वरी, हम लोग वो प्रैक्टिस भी करवा देंगे सर। आपको बस थोड़े मॉक इंटरव्यू अटेंड करना है, ठीक है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
मॉक इंटरव्यूज अटेंड
रिज्यूमे
करेंगे।
वगैरह प्रिपरेशन के लिए भी आपसे कुछ गाइड होगा क्या इसमें?
एकदम एकदम होगा। आप वो बैच ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, हम लोग सब चीज करवा देंगे, ठीक है?
ओके सर। Thank
Hi
you.
Krish, can I speak?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hi. Hello, sir.
Hi Krish,
Hello.
I'm Shishkant.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
ठीक है, हेलो
Can
हेलो
I
करने से।
speak, Krish?
See,
Hi, Krish.
I'm here, right? Why you are worrying? I'll answer all your questions, na? We'll go one by one. Shashi, go ahead, please.
Yeah, thanks, sir. I'm Shishikant. I'm following from last 1 year your everything for Tech Neurons. I enrolled in Tech Neurons, but I'm mechanical engineer. I did M.Tech in mechanical. I have more than 8 years experience in mechanical. I worked in some Ford analysis type of work. 8 years I worked, but now there's no salaries, there is no career goals. So I more last 1 year I'm thinking about this data science course I'm preparing. Now I left my job. I'm totally focused on this data science program. I completed machine learning. Daily 12 hours I'm doing this data science. So my intention is so 5 years I'm in mechanical. 3 years this industry ready projects I will keep as a 3 years experience in that I can move in that.
No, sir. So see, the thing is that you cannot say that, okay, this much years of experience I'll put this and that much years of experience. That is a very bad practice, okay? Whatever experience you have gained some domain knowledge, okay? You have to focus on your overall experience, and then after learning data science, you have to see that how you can apply that in your previous skill sets. Obviously, right now you're not working, okay? But with respect to your domain, start creating POC projects. And parallelly, with respect to mechanical domain also, we have put up internship projects, okay? Start participating in that. Try to increase your relevant experience. Relevant experience can only be increased through when you participate in an internship, when you solve multiple projects. And anyhow, right now you're not doing job. So since you are investing just in learning, why don't you invest more in practice through the internships? That would be my suggestion for you, okay?
Sir, how much time it will Hey, take, Krish, sir, to can I means like speak? how much time means like a total getting the job and doing projects? It will
that is up to you. Up to you. If you do a couple of
I
internships,
thought I'm totally dedicated 12 hours, 13-14 hours per day. So
that's what
totally
I'm telling you.
study room,
When you
but
start
it will
participating in the internship, no, Shashi, understand. If you give 12 hours, give 4 to 5 hours on internship. Then learning process. Do it parallelly, no?
Parallelly do it parallelly. Okay.
Sir, hello, sir.
Hi,
I have a
Krish, can I
question
speak?
Regarding statistics.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Okay, just a second. Somin, then Mohammad Saimullah will talk, and then Ajinkya will talk. Okay, Somin, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Sir, I just want to know that what is the statistics role in our data science career?
So statistics will be used in every phase, like EDA, feature engineering, feature selection, model training, model drift, then data drift, where we are focusing on retraining the models. In every life cycle, statistics will be used.
Sir, I have also a question that we need statistics in depth career or the overview knowledge? Just overview knowledge.
No. Practical knowledge.
Practical knowledge. Okay. And number one, number two is the how we implement in real life with the statistics knowledge in data science career.
So there are many ways, sir. So how do I tell you right now? We have to show you by solving some use cases on that.
Because sir, I have admitted to the institute for data science career. I have also 7 to 8 years experience in IT, software developer, and in their tutors taught us that the statistics, but we have no real life implementation. So that reason we cannot understand properly.
Sir,
So,
join any of one of my batch, sir. I teach statistics over there. And currently this FSDS May batch is also going on. I've also finished statistics over there with practical implementation and with practical knowledge. Now it depends institute to institute, mentor to mentor, how they will be teaching. I definitely don't know, no, sir.
Sir, I have a last question that regarding placement. Which I have 8 years experience in software development. Now I switch into data science career. So for a data science field, am I to treat as a fresher or any experience? My experience is useful for data science.
As the entire experience, not as a fresher.
Okay, sir. Sir, current data science job market?
It is good. It is good. Every day I get 5 to 6 transition stories from everyone.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Mohammed Samula, go ahead.
Hello,
I hope
sir.
I'm pronouncing it right?
Yes, sir. Mohammed Samula it is.
Yeah, Samula. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Hope you are doing good, sir.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you. I've been following your channel from, I guess, more than 2 years. I used to watch your videos and learn from it. I made my statistics note, ML notes, DL notes from your channel. And one more thing, sir, I did my BTech in computer engineering and data science as my majors in that. Even though after all this, when I apply, I have did projects, sir, like 3-4 projects and 2 or end-to-end projects in that. Even though after having all these things, I'm getting rejections from maximum of the companies, sir.
So definitely need to check your resume for that, and I would again suggest start participating in internships. Okay, that internship experience is super important.
Yes, sir. I have did internships, sir. I have done.
Then definitely there is some problem.
7 months of experience as an intern.
Then definitely there is some problem with your resume, sir. Probably you're not able to portray the information in the right way. Okay, just do one thing. Drop me your resume in my email ID once. Okay.
Sure, sir. Can you just share your email ID, sir?
krishnaik06@gmail.com. Okay,
krishnaik06. And one more thing, sir. Every time I see entry-level data science job, they ask for 2 to 3 years of experience, or they ask masters with 0 experience. So after so many rejections, after so many things, I decided, like I was planning for MS. If I do MS, it will be cover up so that I can directly join into data science batch.
See, that is also one route. That is also one route, but my suggestion will be that at least work for some years, at least 1 year. Okay, but if you are not able to get it, you can directly go and do MS. Okay.
Okay. I'm open for jobs, sir, right now. I can apply for iNeuron also.
Yeah, definitely.
I want to work with iNeuron also. I'll apply for it, sir.
Sure.
And thank you so much, sir. I request you to accept my request on LinkedIn, sir.
I'm unable to accept because it is filled with connection requests. So there will be a limit of 30,000 that I've already crossed the limit. So that is the reason I'm not able to accept it.
And one more thing, sir. I'm good at Python, sir. I understand the whole code. If I see, I understand the whole code, how they someone wrote it and what all. When I sit and start doing it, sometimes I face problem like how to start. Like I understand whole code when I see, but when I do practice or when I start on keyboard,
solve multiple and different projects, sir. Then only you'll be able to do it. Okay. That is a simple thing. You have to practice with different project. Okay.
Okay.
Sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Hi, Krish.
Ajinkya. Yeah.
Hi, Krish. Hi. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah. Sure. So I have 11-year experience. My current role, I'm a product owner for financial analytics. I work for Honeywell, by the way. I heard you had also worked for Honeywell before.
Yes.
So I work for Honeywell, and I am a product owner into financial analytics. It's both of a techno-functional role. I have domain knowledge into finance as well as supply chain in my previous 8-year experience at Honeywell. So right now, the kind of work I'm doing, it's basically a decision support system I'm giving to the CFO, right? So now taking it to the next level, right? So the current tools or systems that I've been using is I'm working on ETL, or let's say Tableau as a visualization tool. So I have a team who does that. But now taking it to the next level, right? I have to ramp up, in terms of giving them a better forecast and stuff like that. So you know what I'm trying to say, right? So in that scenario, what do you suggest for me? Because in my career graph, it's always been, all my roles have always been a techno-functional role, right? It's like jacks of both, masters of none. So what do you suggest in that?
My suggestion will be that stay in the product owner role only, but now try to just don't focus on one domain, but multiple domains. Okay. Like related to data science projects also. Okay. It may be some of the automation, it may be some of the things that you're doing, because after product owner, right, you may become a partner of that organization also, because once you deliver some 5 to 10 projects successfully, let's say, once you make them, then implement that in that specific way. Because I had been to Australia for one of the client, okay, and there I had met one product owner. So she had actually delivered around 3 to 4 projects on straight within a year. Okay. And the next promotion that she got was she was a partner of that company. So in short, she was heading all the product owners, like how many different departments are there. And product owner is a very rare role. I think you're working in an amazing domain itself, where you have the combination of both tech plus domain expertise, right?
Correct.
So this is the role that you should be in, because it has a huge scope in different companies also later on when you are able to make a switch.
But the challenge is to take it to the next level, right? So the analysis that we are presenting, my team is presenting to the CFO, he is how stuff work here.
See, the thing is that you just need to be upgraded with technology. Okay.
Correct.
So you know ETL, right? My suggestion would be stronger in the data science area also.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I want to do. So what do you suggest? Do you suggest be the full stack data science bootcamp?
So how is your technical knowledge with programming and all?
I am quite good at. I come from a technical. I mean, I come from engineering.
I would suggest you to go ahead with this data science industry ready project. This would be an amazing one for you. And I require people like you, because I'll put you in one group where you'll be acting as a role as a product owner. So that way we'll be able to focus on implementing those projects.
Okay, so you don't suggest me to go for the bootcamp, because data science as I have done some coding in Python and all that, but I'm not good at it.
Just tell me, okay, you're not good at machine learning and deep learning, you're saying?
Not at all, no.
Then you have to go with Bootcamp 2.0, sir, because I thought that you already know machine learning and deep learning, because that is a prerequisite with respect to data science industry.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So bootcamp is a thing for me.
Yeah, bootcamp.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Thanks.
Yes. And focus on becoming an amazing thing in the tech stack. Okay. Whatever tech stack is involved in data science. You already have that ETL thing.
Yeah, exactly. What happens is in an organization, when they look at you, right? I am working in a finance domain, right? When they look at you, they are expecting you to be a master of at least, the financial domain or at least the technical domain, right? I am in between both of them. So I want to, move towards more the technical side, and not, I don't want to have a CFO roadmap, right? I want to have a COO roadmap.
Yes. Yeah. So probably after partner, you'll be in that position only.
Yeah.
After that.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Krish.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes.
Hello, sir. Mohammed Samula here.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, one more thing, sir. I request you to make some apps, sir. iNeuron app, so that
we have a deadline in October month. Okay. We have a deadline on October month. So that will be coming.
Yes, sir, because it will be handy for us to learn. We don't need to carry our laptop or something
also
like
know
that.
We also know that, sir. We are delayed because initially we started it, and again we did not like the UI UX design, so we had to scrap that project, and probably in the next month we are going to come up with.
Okay, sir. Okay. And one more thing, sir. In the website, sir, there are so many machine learning, what we say, classes available. So can you just specify like machine learning by Krish, machine learning by so and so, or something like that, so
you
that
can
we
make a
can
filter.
directly.
Okay, you can make a filter with respect to that. See this.
When you just open it,
machine learning wherever, machine learning wherever it is, no. So we are always making sure that we have that. Now let's see in this case. Okay, let's say you are over here, and let's say I'm going to click on this live projects. So here you have all the mentors.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have seen that. I have seen that.
So if you probably click on Krishna, you'll
when
be able
we
to find out.
directly type data science or machine learning, plenty of courses comes at the time, and we just get confused.
No, this is the best way. This is the best way. I'm telling you, this filters will make the search engine much more better also. Okay.
Yes.
So let's say you want to probably learn from my side. So you just click on this. These are all the projects that are going on. Okay. Like blockchain is also going on. Full stack data analytics is also going on. Full stack data science bootcamp 2.0, data science interview projects, data science interviews. And all these things I'm participating. According to my day-to-day batches, I also teach a lot, because I like teaching.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. And one more thing, sir. krishnaik06@gmail.com. Is that your mail ID?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be sharing you my resume, sir. Please check and reply, sir.
Sure.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Ayush, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Sure. Sir, actually, I am a petroleum engineer, just pass out. Sir, actually, means I have already been working on data science since 1.5 years almost. Sir, so I have done many projects, means like end-to-end, but I think it is very much basic project. Like, so I need to start means my journey with end-to-end project, like unique projects.
So data science industry ready project is a super one for you, sir.
Yes, sir. So, sir, means the course you are bringing, na?
So again, let me share my screen.
Sure,
this is it is starting from 24th. So this, just go ahead and join this again. You can use Krish 10, get 10% off. This fees is very less, guys. I don't talk about the fees because we keep the most affordable thing in the market. And outside, you will be able to get 1 lakh rupees will be charging for this courses. So we are not into that. So utilize this opportunity, share with all your friends. Okay.
Sir, means actually I am working at office. I got placed. So it is Saturday is working. That's why I'm just so recording will be available.
Not in this, we'll be implementing it from scratch. So it will be like completely scratch. But once you apply, once you finish one project, right, you'll get the idea of all the other projects.
But sir, actually means I am off on my company is working on Saturday. So means I will not get.
It's okay. Recorded videos will be available to you.
Okay, sir. Recorded video. So, sir, means okay. I am applying for you, but at least till now, what can I do till then? Because I am not getting any GitHub GitHub site where I can get every projects, but unique projects like where I can try.
Just give us 15-20 days. Okay. After that, you will become an expert in developing projects. Okay. Just 15 days from 24th till next month 24th. Just give us that much time and just follow this lectures, whatever we are teaching.
Okay.
Yeah. So all the information is given in the YouTube channel description link also.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have got it. But I am already working, but not getting what to do. Currently, I try to I wake up early and give 2 hours for data science, but not getting is what can I do?
Now you'll be able to do it once we start from this Saturday, Sunday. That is the reason why I'm saying.
Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And probably the first, second class, the 3-4 classes initially, I'll be only taking in this. I will be setting up all your environments, making sure that everything is ready, and we'll start implementing the project. Yes, please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, sir. I have done my data science from a different another institute. So I will be doing this data science industry ready projects. But is there any placement assistance in this?
Placement assistance will be there because what we do is that whenever we have the tie-ups with companies, right? Whenever we get a job, we send that through email, to everyone.
Okay, sir. But
whoever are there in the course.
Will I be able to apply on my own on the Naukri or LinkedIn?
Yeah, definitely. That also you can do. Definitely.
Okay.
And just after one project completion only, you'll be able to apply because you'll have so much content to write in your resume.
Hello, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So, yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
So, I have my basic strong in Python, sir, and I want to go towards. I want to be an ML engineer first. Then I want to explore towards data science. So, which course do you suggest?
You know machine learning. You have implemented any projects?
No, sir. I'm just about to start. I'm just good
Then
with my
this is
basics
the
in
batch.
Python.
This is the batch, which is just started on 17th, and it is a job guaranteed program. Okay.
Okay.
Job guaranteed basically means we will definitely provide you that many number of referrals. Will make you attend so many interviews, and let's say if you're not able to do it, we return back your money. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello,
So
sir.
this one.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. This one.
Hi. Hello, sir.
Just a second, Rutvik. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. So this will help me to become a ML engineer also, right? I mean,
ML engineer, DL engineer, vision developer, AI engineer, everything is covered.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Shamsher Singh.
Yeah. Hi, Krish. How are you?
I'm good, Shamsher.
Yeah. Yes. Thanks. How many projects are we doing in the industry-ready projects?
5. And those projects are like one month. It'll take time because there's so many things we need to do.
Okay. So in 5-6 months, we will be covering everything. For this
In the 5th and 6th months, we will be giving you 2 to 3 projects which you have to do by your own. So you'll be in that state.
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, Amit here.
Yeah.
So actually, sir, I'm trying to learn the machine learning. So logically, I understand very good. But the thing is that I'm from the non-programmer background and having experience of around 12 years. So that is main issue to me. Like I fear of coding but I am very much interested in machine learning. So
Sir, for you, right? There will be some roles where you just not have to be on the technical side. You can be in the management side also. Like just now we spoke to one person who's working as a product owner, right? So that person has both experience. He has the technical skills. He has this thing, right? Obviously, he has a very big team who will be working under him, where he'll be assigning different kind of works. So that kind of role for your experience, you should basically target. But definitely, technical skills you really need to gain.
So which course should you will recommending to me then?
This same full stack data science bootcamp. Because we start everything from scratch.
So it contains machine learning algorithms as well?
Yes. See, I'll show you the syllabus. We first of all start with programming language, then statistics, EDA, machine learning end-to-end project, NLP. Then this many number of projects we cover. See, 10 projects. Then we go with time series, DL and ANN, all these things, computer vision, right? It's a huge syllabus. It is a 1-year program. And sometimes if you really want to speed up, recorded videos will also be provided.
So one thing, can you just advise me like how to improve the coding skills?
Practice. So see, that is the best thing, right? In our what we do, Python, see how many Python are there. Python fundamental, advanced Python, working databases Python, working in Pandas and NumPy. So this Python, right, along with Python project will take us 2 months. So in that 2 months, we'll give you so many assignments, we'll give you so many tasks. You'll basically become a perfect in that.
And sir, also I would like to tell you one thing, like sir, although I was referring to other institutes, but NLP I was not able to get it. But because of your videos, I was able to get all those NLP things. So I'm very much thankful to you. At least NLP I've learned from you only, sir.
No problems.
Hope to join you soon. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, Suhas, go ahead.
Hi, sir. I'm from mechanical field, passed out in 2017. So I recently joined your bootcamp in September month. 2 classes I have attended. So now I currently resign my job and I'm start.
Why are you resigning? Why did you resign your job?
I resigned my job in March. So then I searched for offline classes. Before that, I want to do the design courses. Then I done design courses and I completed in July. Then August month I have joined the iNeuron. So now I thought how can I proceed further to continue in data science?
See, the thing is that just follow this full stack bootcamp that you have joined, okay? And don't make this career gap a lot. After you probably complete Python, start participating in the internship portal. Internship, and since you have now more time, what you do is that you start going through the recorded videos also, so that you can speed up the process. At least try to give 4 to 5 hours daily. Okay.
Okay. Now, whether I have to join this industry-ready project?
No. Just with the boot camp.
No,
boot camp. Just boot camp. Just follow the boot camp. Okay.
After 2 months, I can able to apply for Python.
Yes, internships. And if you watch the recorded
Internship.
video within 1 minute, 1 month also you can do. Okay.
So, is that internship? After the doing internship, I can apply through iNeuron or how, sir?
Through internship, you can also apply in iNeuron. You can also apply outside, because here you'll be getting that experience letter also.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Rajiv Ranjan. Rajiv Ranjan.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am beginner in statistics. I am graduated in statistics. So, sir, I study in MSc statistics. So, what is your suggestions for?
It's like, sir, you have to gain all the technical skills like programming, machine learning, and all.
Yes,
you will be
yes,
able
sir.
to
I
make
have
transition.
R programming language only.
Again, like what you target, you have data analyst or data scientist. If you have a data scientist target, Python
Yes,
would be
sir.
the programming language I would prefer.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. One lady was trying to talk.
Hi, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Krupa, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, sir. It's like very privileged to talk to you, and thanks a lot for what you're doing. It's great. So I'm an experienced professional. So I did 1 year of PGDM, and then I started working as a data science associate. But currently I'm on a gap right now. So I left my the previous job to search for better opportunities. So I'm just looking for what all roles will suit me, with just 3 total overall experiences like 4 years, and relevant including is 3 years. So can you just tell me like which all roles I will be eligible to apply, and also like
what is the overall experience? Total experience?
For 4 years.
Then you can definitely apply for data scientist roles. Okay.
And what will be common expectations, sir? So
at least develop projects end to end.
Okay.
And guide your juniors how to implement it.
Okay, sir, is there any course that will suit me to take? I mean, to prepare
how's
for
how's your knowledge with respect to machine learning and deep learning?
Yeah, machine learning, it's really good. Deep learning, it's like okay-ish.
Then you can join this data science industry batch, man.
Which one, sir? Can you just
data
tell
science
me the name of it?
in the YouTube channel description is also there, and here is your data science industry ready project. Right now, I'm also giving 10% off from my side. So use Krish 10, you'll be able to get that. And here we are focusing on completing all these projects. It has an NLP project, it has a vision project, and it has 2 machine learning projects.
Okay, sir. I have also enrolled myself in the internship portal, but will I be, like, if I have any doubts, will I be able to call?
Yeah. Just drop a mail to the support team. Yeah. Drop a mail to the support team.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for this.
Thank you. Yes. Hari, go ahead.
Yes. Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm good, Hari. How
So
are you?
actually, I'm working as an assistant professor in an engineering college for the past 6 years. And I have currently enrolled with other institute, and I have almost on the verge of completing my course actually. So for the past 1.5 months, I have been applying several jobs for entry-level data scientist jobs. But it's very rare the thing that I get an interview call back. And
there is a problem with that. There is a problem with that, Hari, because we have had that kind of profiles a lot, and those people have already made a transition. Now, what is the problem over here is that with respect to whenever you start teaching, right, or whenever you are a teacher in some specific college, it is very difficult to show your experience of work, right? It's like if you're just teaching, practical experience I'm talking about. So some of the mentors who have already made a transition from the previous batches of our, what we have done is them. We have given them some tasks to basically do. So in their college, just to make a team of students and try to create some startup projects or incubation idea, try to start solving them. And in short, you should be leading that particular team. So this kind of experience, when you put, company gains more confidence. And definitely after that, we have to really work on your resume for that. And let's say that I'm also a company, and if I see, okay, you have done so many incubation projects, you have led a team of 8 to 9 people now, probably that may be running as a startup, or probably you have try to apply it in startup skill of India somewhere. So all these things matters a lot. I hope you are able to understand, Hari.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this same process you also need to follow.
Yes, sir. And one more thing is, how do the recruiters see the candidates like ourselves, sir? Because,
It's like it'll be normally same, like how they see us, similarly they see you. That is the thing, right? I'm telling you to put the right information in the resume, portray the right information in the resume. You'll be treated similarly. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Hardik, tell me.
Yeah. Hi, Krish. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. So, Krish, actually, I'm pursuing my master's of data science at RMIT University in Melbourne. So currently, I'm in my third sem, and I'm already doing an internship in the field of OpenAI. But I'm not sure that I would be able to pursue for the OpenAI yet. So I'm good at data cleaning and machine learning. So I wanted to know that how should I pursue it? As I'm doing it's a startup company called as AML Cloud. So I'm working on OpenAI there. So like I am not sure like how should I pursue for the machine learning ones?
What machine learning job are you saying? Or
yeah, as ML engineer, yeah.
ML engineer, see sir, ML engineer, again, job role you need to understand. It does not mean that ML engineer only works with machine learning. You also have to work on the AI ops part, with respect to the deployment, right? So here you have to really solve a lot of projects end to end, I'm talking about. Okay. Just by having that ML knowledge will not be sufficient. And that also depends on experience to experience, that how much work or how much things they may be asking you. Do you have knowledge of any additional other things or not?
Yeah. So, and also I wanted to ask about, so I have implemented some of the end-to-end machine learning projects as well. For example, the credit score for a risk factor for a particular person.
No, but let's say if I'm asking how is the data coming from for this particular project, what you'll say?
Yeah, so I have this one is for the open source available for the government from the Australian government website. So we are using that right now. It's actually our third semester project. So we will be we are like almost 90% done. We are just in the phase of front end. All back end is done, and all the machine learning models have been created, in which the SVM model is the best, and we made a pickle file for the deployment for the front end. And still we are need to implement the front end for that.
No, that will not how it will work, sir, because there are a lot of things. Pipelining concept is there. There are a lot of things that we basically need to answer. Okay. So again, my suggestion will be that practice more and more ML projects end to end with deployment by using CI/CD pipelines and retraining approach. Okay.
Yeah.
So all these things needs to be applied. Okay.
Just a second, I will note them down.
Yeah. Otherwise, just check this, sir. The best course that I will refer it to you. Come and join this course. Trust me, you'll love it. Data science industry projects. It is starting from 24th September. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
24th September, just in a couple of days, and here you'll be able to see all these projects. Okay. There you'll get an idea with respect to ML engineer, how they work. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Trust me, within 1 month, no, if you tell that this course is not good, no, you take the money and go. Okay. Anyhow, we do not hesitate with giving refund if you're not satisfied. Okay.
Yeah, I will go through this one, and I will subscribe it.
Yeah. Krupa? Yeah, Ayush?
Just 1 second out.
Okay, Krupa, go ahead, please.
So for this industry ready project, do we have this placement assessment? I mean, assistance as well, or can we have like any mock interviews for it? Is that possible?
Mock interviews? Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
You come and give now. I'll take a mock interview. Come on, we'll give live. Not a problem.
Sure, sir. I'll prepare well and thank you.
Yeah. Ayush, please go ahead.
Sir, actually, I wanted to ask, sir, should I prefer that bootcamp project or data science industrial course, means ready project?
No, the prerequisite is that you need to know machine learning, deep learning, NLP.
I know, but basic level. I mean, machine learning I know, but not deep learning and that thing. So what is
you need to know? You need to know, sir. Deep learning also, NLP also you need to know.
So
if you just want to focus on machine learning project, I would suggest go ahead with it. There are 2 projects which you will be doing with respect to machine learning. but they are also a deep learning project and other one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Means should I prefer for that bootcamp course or like data science?
Bootcamp.
Okay. Okay. So, sir, it is running, no? Means it is currently running already.
Hmm.
Bootcamp
Yes.
course is running
Yeah,
already.
yeah. Last week only launched.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. So fine, guys. It was a
Sir.
long. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Mohammed Samila here, sir. Again.
Yeah, Mohammed Samila.
I faced one problem, sir. I applied for Tata IQ from iNeuron for Tata IQ placement. I was selected for screening, profile screening and everything. They said like they will share a online test link between 31st August to 2nd September, but I haven't received an email. At that time, I was
just contact the support team. Just contact the support team. They'll be able to guide you. Okay.
So is it still open or not?
Yeah. Just ask the support team, because I'm not working with the placement team right now, so I will not be having that idea.
Yes, Sudarshan sir has shared me that.
Yeah, just talk to them and let them know. Okay, guys.
Fine,
so
sir,
yes, this is it.
Yes, sir.
The
last question, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead, Sachin.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, Sachin. Go ahead. Yeah.
Currently, sir, I am pursuing the Master in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence from the RJ College, and I've done my bachelor's degree in statistics. Sir, I want to just know on how means on which topic should I create a machine learning model or deep learning model project so that I can
you're a fresher, right? It's okay.
Yes.
You can create on any domain. Okay.
Sir, can you suggest me that which type of projects should I do?
Go and do it. Finance. Go and do some credit card analysis. Do customer segmentation. All this kind of projects. And probably if you want to join the data science industry project, you try to do from this specific thing like sensor fault detection and all and all out there. Okay.
Yes, sir. Currently, sir, I want to do job as a data scientist. Can you suggest me so that in the first step, what can I do?
So how is your skill set with respect to machine learning, deep learning and all? You're good at it, right?
Yes, actually, sir, machine learning I know very well, but the deep learning is little.
It's okay. Have you some idea about it, right? Then what I suggest, go ahead with this data science industry ready project. We'll focus on implementing all these projects, and parallelly, what you do, join the internship since you are in the college. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you follow this, automatically you'll be able to get a guidance. Okay. Saddam, please. Saddam, go ahead.
Sir, I'm Saddam. I'm a first year software engineering student. So I've been following your channel for like 3-4 months when I was preparing for my university admission exam. So I wanted to ask you if you have a Excel roadmap that you shared that someone of your subscriber created it. It had a full data science roadmap from 0 to advanced level. I haven't seen the video. So I wanted to ask you, is it possible for a first year student to go from 0 and learn data science in 4-5 months if he can give 4 to 5 hours per day?
Yes, definitely. Yes.
And then he can do some freelance work or get a part-time job, as I'm a first year student, first semester in my.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So go ahead. Vamshi.
Yes, sir.
Vamshi.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have been seeing your playlist of deep learning and NLP. So, can I know when can computer vision be started?
I've already spoken about deep learning. Right, I've solved a lot of computer vision projects. Okay.
Sir, and regarding this industry projects and bootcamp, in the bootcamp also the same kind of projects will be treated for a longer period, like 1 month or 2 months.
Yes.
End to end, it will be clear.
Yes.
So, can I join for the September batch, which is?
Yes, definitely. Use coupon code Krish10, you'll get 10% off also. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for your.
So perfect, guys. This was it. Since we have already pulled this entire doubt clearing session till 2 hours. Again, one last quick announcement, if you all don't know, and many people were asking about this. So we are coming, we have already started the full stack data science bootcamp 2.0 with this particular price from 17th September. It is a job guaranteed program. So if you don't know data science from scratch, or if you don't have any idea, this would be the first thing. If you have probably learned machine learning, deep learning, you want to practice projects, so data science industry ready projects is the thing for you. All the information will be given in the description. Use Krish 10 as a coupon code to get 10% off. So yes, this was it. Thank you everyone for attending this session. I hope I was able to answer as much as possible. Again, we will be doing this kind of live sessions and again and again. We'll have a lot of fun. Okay. So thank you. This was it. Bye-bye.